Welcome. In front of me I have the Google Pixel 11 and its official case from Google, and I will be taking a look at the case, how it fits, and just give you my first impressions of it. Okay, so let's just get straight into this. Simple packaging, but let's be honest, it's just a case. We don't need more. There we go. Now this one is a hard shell plastic one with a MagSafe built into it. So let's pop it on. Now before I actually do, let's take a quick look. So we have our buttons which are covered. So there is plastic in here to cover the buttons from getting scratched up. We have cutout right here for our microphone, or it's, I think, the loudspeaker microphone, and a bottom cut completely for your speakers and charging port. And putting that on snaps on really easily. The camera right here has a tiny bit of lift off right here when you apply, when you put on the case. So it's almost flush. It's not perfect, but it's basically as flush as I would ever expect it to be. Now, the case fits super well, feels nice in hand. It does have also a tiny bit of a lip right here around the perimeter, so you can place the phone on the screen and won't scratch it. But there is one thing that I do want to talk about when it comes down to plastic cases, especially clear ones. Because it is a plastic, it will get scratched. So if you want this, if you like the pristine look of it, though it's going to be number one, hard to keep it pristine. As plastic, you will need to be basically polishing it every day to get rid of any kind of fingerprints. So it's going to be a magnet to fingerprints. And once it gets scratched up, obviously it's going to look a little bit worse in my opinion. So be aware of that. The rubber cases will be probably much better than this in this case, but you know, it's completely up to you what you are looking for. Now I want to quickly take a look at the price. So for the Pixel 11, apparently I can't pick the clear one. It looks like it's, I think, sold out. It would have been nice for me to actually be able to select it. Oh wait. Yeah, for some reason I can't select it. I have no idea if this actually costs less or more than the rubber ones. I'm gonna check also on Allegro. See if they sell the official ones here. And I don't really see it. Okay, in any case, I was just looking for the cases. The rubber ones are definitely on an expensive side, as they do cost nearly $70. So I hope this one doesn't cost as much. I can't check just because they seem to be sold out, and because they're sold out I can't select it to see the damn price. But it does feel nice. It does have a MagSafe in here, and it protects your device. But like I said, longevity wise, it's gonna get scuffed up just because it's plastic. And the rubber ones at least had a benefit of having this matte surface on it, which would make it less slippery. This, on the other hand side, it's literally smooth plastic. It's gonna definitely slide away. So anyway, that's about it. I can't really say if it's going to be a great value, just because I have no clue what the price is and can't really check. So keep that in mind. If it's the same price, $70, I don't think paying $70 for a plastic case is worth it. That's just my personal take. But it's up to you. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.